to draw a rainbow. First, get your rainbow colors. I also sketched out 2 clouds on the edges of my paper. And then I get my markers and sort of go for it. I didn't want to sketch the rainbow first because doing so would have caused the pencil to smudge into the alcohol ink. But if you're having trouble with just winging your rainbow without any guidelines, then I highly suggest using colored pencils that match the same as the alcohol colored marker that you're using. That way it will blend seamlessly into the marker ink with no trouble. It also may be obvious to some, but just in case, for those who may not know, rainbows are specific in color usually, meaning that if you're starting from the bottom up, your colors would have to go in order from purple to blue to green, yellow, orange, and then red. So once I finish up my rainbow, I then take my fine liners and ink my clouds in. Also, you can find a complete list of all my frequently used supplies in the description. After that, I color my clouds in with the soft blue, and then I kind of ink in the borders of my rainbow. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, then hit the like button.